So you've got a project and you need some music to go with it. Typically, the music you'd find would simply be a fixed length track. If you're lucky, it might come with a few extra versions, and sometimes that's all you need. But what happens if you need the track to be shorter or much longer? Where your client really likes this part, but not that, or that, and wants it to start here and end there. You're left picking up the pieces. Well, with music kits on Envato Market, you don't need to worry about that anymore. Music kits are flexible, professionally produced, ready-to-use music made up of individual drag-and-drop song sections that can quickly and easily be arranged and rearranged to meet your project's needs. You can add, remove, or repeat individual song sections to fit the pace and progression of your project, all with seamless, edit-free transitions and clean natural endings right out of the box. No more messy cutting or crossfading, no extra mixing or mastering. With music kits, you don't have to be an audio expert, and you don't need any specialized software to get a great sounding, perfectly tailored soundtrack right within your video or multimedia project. Music, made easy.